In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer any domain to Wix. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to transfer any domain to Wix quickly and easily. Follow these steps and you'll have a domain connected in no time. Let's dive right in. First is to go to your Wix dashboard, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Click on My Sites to view all your active websites, and you can search for your website site or switch between lists and grid view for easier navigation. Second is to access domain settings. Click on your profile icon into the top right corner and select Account Settings. From the drop-down menu, click on Domains to manage your domains. Third step is to connect your existing domain. Click Connect a domain you already own. A list of domains will appear. Choose one you want to transfer. You'll need a Wix Premium plan to connect a domain, but if you don't have one, Wix will prompt you to upgrade. Fourth is to assign the domain to a site. Find your domain in the list and click the three dots, which you'll find next to it, and select Assign Domain to another website. And then choose the website you want to assign the domain to and confirm the changes. Fifth step is to update DNS settings if only required. Depending on your domain provider, you may need to upgrade your DNS settings to point to Wix services. Wix provides step-by-step instruction for most domain registrars. I really hope this helped. Thank you for watching.